What's up, traders? A quick update on natural gas and gold today. So let's start with natural gas first. As per our previous analysis, we were expecting a good bounce out of this zone, and we got a nice bounce up right towards our next level of resistance. The resistance is 7.013, goes up to 7.249. Right now, we do have a bearish pressure right here with this 382 candle. My sell stop entry would be right here, a few pips below that, but be more confirmed with bearish pressure. We can still expect a push up in this zone, in between this zone, and we will look for an engulfing candle or double bottom, a double top sort of move from here, and we also might get an overbought situation as well on our side once we hit our red zone. So we do not have any sort of confirmed or good entry reason at this point. I would just wait for a good entry reason. We are above 50 and 20 EMA as well, but we are not buying at this point. We have a resistance right here, and we will look for an entry reason. And here, while I was recording this video, just getting this bearish move and looks like, yeah, we are still in a bearish pressure. And after the hit of this zone, we are getting this bearish candle. And if we closed below here, like if we closed where the candle is right now, 6.793, then it's a likely good chances the market is closed below 50 and 20 EMA, and we can see bearish pressure back to our gray zone. Same here on currency.com. We did not pushed up yet in this zone, but if we break and close below here, then we have a good pressure. Then we have a good bearish pressure that the market can push down again. Let's check gold. Okay, gold, as per my yesterday's videos, I said that we are in a decision zone, and you can still see the market is in between this zone. And if we get a push down, came back down, and we get a move down, and we get a candle here, engulfing candle here, then I will look for a buy trades towards the next minor level. It's 1917. So if we get that move, I will look for buying trades. We do not get any sort of buying reason, and if we break below this green zone and we have a close below one candle and we have another candle closed below this green zone, then we have a likely chance that the market will push down to 1875. So keep an eye on both type of entries. We are in a decision zone, so not entering at this point until we have a good buying reason or a sell reason to take short trades from. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green. Till then, take care.